Back here at the arena in San Juan. Boom Gonzalez, Ian Laurel for you. ABS-CBN Sports, Direct Alneri at the helm of this live and exclusive coverage on Studio 23. Una sa lahat. Merry Christmas, partner.
Merry Christmas. And everyone's in vacation mode. But remember, remember, except for you and the rest of the players here in the volleyball competitions, because they really have to continue that workout, that practice sessions, those practice sessions during the break.
What a dig by Lazaro, saving that ball. And she's there once again. Kainglet. On the other end, here's UP on the second touch. Ferrer goes to Phil. Phil finishes it off.
Angeli not reacting to that short drop. Look at that ball touching the block. And there she is, but moving laterally.
By the way, I'm mistaken. 8-6 earlier, UP was the one that got into the technical timeout first. Nagahabol ang Ateneo dito. Phil goes cross-court again. Jeb quickly to Gretchen. Nobody there.
Again, Gretchen Ho, very effective in the middle. And whenever Jem Ferrer's the setter, she's always a target for Jem Ferrer. Kasi kabisado na nila talaga yung laro ng bawat isa eh. And
that batch of Kainglet, Ferrer, Ho.
Remember that beat week set? That's one of the hardest things to time.
Explain mo ngayon dun sa mga natututo mag-volleyball yan.
Alright, normally attack in the middle, but the beak week is probably 4 or 5 feet from center, whether it's on the right or on the left. So
it's not middle.
Yeah, so for the setter, of course the distance is a thing that you consider, but also where your spiker is.
Yes.
And at the same time, you have to look at the blocker, so you're looking at 3 different things in a matter of a split second. So it's so tough. So if you've got Gretchen Ho playing with Jem Ferrer for the past 2 or 3 years, almost automatic na yan. Almost automatic. Nagkakaamuyan na ika nga. And that is really a big factor when it comes to the offense. Ang hirap blockin din yan ng Be Quick.
This is their 4th year together.
Wow.
Ganon-ganon lang, di ba? They were celebrated rookies and now their 4th year playing together. So Ateneo takes the lead 10-9. And you know who's watching this keenly? It's FEU. Because Wednesday, their showdown with Ateneo on Wednesday to finish off the year 2011.
That's right.
For the volleyball season.
That's a good
one. Po tayo January 7. Oh, no?
That is a good one. Especially for FEU. They know that they can hang with the big teams.
They're getting more confident as the games go by.
They lost really close ones.
Yes.
Pero they extended that to the max, to the limit.
Lasal, hirap na hirap.
That's right. They brought their those opponents to the limit. So alam nila, kayang-kaya. One of these days, one of these games, they're gonna show that they're at the same level as
Grabe yung depensa ng FEU. Their floor defense was incredible yesterday. It was incredible against LaSalle. Kapit na kapit sila dun sa mga defending champions natin. And that should be interesting. And if you're Ateneo, now is the time to really hone your offense too, because you need variety against that FEU defense.
That's true.
You need unpredictability and variety. As we are at 11 all, Coach Rogers stands up. They're trying to teach Tajima here. Mary May Tajima, yung tallest player ng Ateneo right now. They open up to Valdez, who gets checked in the net. Ferrer sends it back to Phil Kainglet. Montalas. Southland off the block.
Nice.
And Nakachi will come back here.
Wow, UP. Again, ito yung crucial stage for UP, no? Kaya nila makipagsabayan opening 10 points. First 10 points of the set. But this is the time that Ateneo really reaching, when you reach that 15, 16, that second technical timeout, lalayo na ang Ateneo. Let's see if Ateneo can still do that. If UP can control this set.
Huli si Jem Ferrer, hinawakan na net. 2-point lead for the Lady Maroons. Looking for their first win of the season still at 0-5.
13-11. Service, Araneta.
Nice serve.
Nice.
But a nice pickup there by Ateneo. Great attack. Valdez adjusts. The joust, and UP wins this. This is their biggest lead of the match at 4, and Coach Roger doesn't like it. So we listen to the white shirts.
Hindi ko pa kayo sinasabihan eh. Binabaliwala ninyo yung mga paisa-isang error ninyo. Tagtad na ng error eh. Nakikipagsabayan kayo ng laro sa kanila eh. Isama nyo sa dictionary nyo yung intensity. Hindi kayo pwedeng maglaro kasi nanalo na kayo ng 8%. Ganyan na lang lalaruin ninyo. May laro naman tayo, ba't hindi nyo lumalabas yan? Isama nyo sa dictionary nyo yung intensity. Wala yata eh. Dictionary ninyo.
Well, Tiff mentioned that earlier. You know, you have to be guarded against the drop of play.
That's true.
Kanina pa niya sinabi yun before the first set started. And now, the first set, they won comfortably.
Totoo yan.
And there's a false sense of confidence right now.
That's the usual trap that these top-level teams go up. They have to face that when they go up against the losing teams, ano? Yung mga mabababa sa standings, they take it so lightly.
That's a great play by UP. They're up by 4. I'll give you an example. Yung sinasabi ni Coach Roger kanina, the NU-UE game, nanalo NU first set. Comfortable.
Yeah.
Second set, they had 2, 3, 4 errors. Yun yung sinasabi ni Coach Roger. Hindi na nila napansin. Lumayo na itong UE. Dumikit sila ng konti. But the game was different already. UE got their confidence.
That's true. Gumanda laro nung
diba?
UE.
Tayo yun, diba? Tayo yun. Yan. Gumanda yung laro. Napahaba na ng 5 set. And before you know it, demoralized itong NU. And let's go back to last year. Ganyan nangyari sa Ateneo and UE.
Totoo.
Yung tatlong pagkakamali na, okay lang, bawian natin. Pero nagkadikit-dikit na. Kasi they call it the peaks and valleys of a game, diba? Minsan yan lang kailangan ng isang inferior, quote-unquote, inferior team to get their confidence.
That's true.
And sometimes luck plays a role. May araw may araw na ganyan eh.
Parang sasabihin nila, pinagbibigyan nyo kami, ganyan kayo, akala ninyo, ayan na.
Yes. The better teams in the league, and I'll use again the example of LaSalle because the last 2 years they have not been touched by a defeat.
Yeah.
Technically, again, I'll say that. There will be times na may bababa, lalaglag yung laro, pero yung balik agad.
That almost happened to them for this season. Remember that 5-setter?
That was a low set coming from Gem. So UP, 2 technical timeouts. They enter it first.
That's true.
Back in a moment.